Um, I think just like kind of like financing my money. Like I'm basically live alone. My mom's not here in LA with me, but she's in Vegas. But I kind of feel like I had like a transit, like a complete, like drastic change. You know, I was in jail, I was in prison, and then I got out, and then like 3 months later, my mom moved. So then I just stayed alone. But I mean, I've been doing pretty good. I just know I have to work on some things like managing my money. I feel like sometimes I feel alone, but then again, I like that's what I want. I want to be like alone. I want my own space. Like I feel like a lot of things changed because I was gone for like almost 4 years. So my family just kind of like I feel like it was just too much time that passed, and it kind of like they kind of just learned how to live like without me in their life. You get what I'm saying?
So you're doing good, right? You just want to be a bit more conscious of your spending habits or patterns, right?
Hmm.
But it sounds like you'd like to have a better relationship with your mother. Is that correct?
Yeah,
There's some sadness there, right?
a little bit.
Yeah, that's okay. Yeah. So let me just do some work between you and your mother first, okay? So I'd like you to just think about your mother and think about the sadness that you feel, or allow yourself to feel the sadness about the two of you not being closer, okay? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, subconscious, find the negative experiences, lifetimes of your soul, her soul, these souls being family, friends, enemies, neighbors, partners, lovers, master, slave, pet owner, boss, employee, 10, 100,000, 10 hundreds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down to 0. Treat them all in perfect order with respect and do a massive change history on your systems, chakras, organs, meridians, subtle bodies, mind, body, spirit, soul, conscious, subconscious, unconscious. Superconscious, find all the negative experiences, lifetimes of you betraying, neglecting, rejecting, abandoning, leaving your mum or your mum's soul, past, present, future, all dimensions, all realms, all areas, time and time, space and space, in between lifetimes, power, universes, omniverse, 10, 100,000s, 1, 2, 3, down to 0. And superconscious, find the negative experiences, lifetimes of your mother leaving you, abandoning you, rejecting you, neglecting you, betraying you, 10, 100,000, 10, 100 millions, 1, 2, 3, down to 0. Treat them all in perfect order with respect and do a massive change history, A, B, C, D, E, conscious, unconscious, mind, body, spirit, soul. Superconscious, find all the negative experiences, lifetimes of growing up without a mother, 10, 100,000, 10 hundreds, 1, 2, down to 0. And superconscious, find all the negative experiences, lifetimes of being locked away or taken away and put into some kind of institution, 10, 100,000, 10 hundred millions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down to 0. And clear all the negative experiences, lifetimes of losing a mother figure, 10, 100,000, 10 hundred millions, 1, 2, 3, down to 0. Treat them all in perfect order with respect and do a massive change history, A, B, C, D, E, conscious, subconscious, unconscious, mind, body, spirit, soul. Superconscious, find all the negative experiences and lifetimes of being removed from your entire family in other lifetimes, 10, 100,000, 10 hundred millions, 1, 2, down to 0. Treat them all in perfect order with respect and do a massive change history, systems, chakras, organs, meridians, subtle bodies, mind, body, spirit, soul, conscious, subconscious, unconscious. Okay. We also need to clear loneliness, 10, 100,000, 10 hundred millions, 1, 2, down to 0. We need to clear regret, 10, 100,000, 10 hundred millions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, down to 0. And we need to clear being misunderstood, 10, 100,000, 10 hundreds, 1, 2, down to 0. And we also need to clear blame, 10, 100,000, 10 hundred millions, 1, 2, down to 0. And also being haunted by the past, 10, 100,000, 10 hundred millions, 1, 2, down to 0. And let's also clear the need to be tracked or tracking others or tracking yourself, 10, 100,000, 10, 100 millions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down to 0. Okay. Superconscious, find all the negative experiences, lifetimes of having to raise yourself. 10, 100,000, 10, 100 millions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down to 0. Let's delete 80, 94. And let's also clear negative experiences, lifetimes of any kind of situations. You've seen orphanages, 10, 100,000, 1, 2, 3, down to 0. Treat them all in perfect order with respect and do massive change history, A, B, C, D, E, conscious, subconscious, unconscious, mind, body, spirit, soul.
It was like tense right here, and then like it just like left. Like it just
Good.
like I feel calm.
Good, 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 amazing.
I know that, you know, like she's coming this weekend, you know, and like I'm looking forward to that. Like I have those thoughts in my mind, you know, and it's like it's okay because she's not that far. At the end of the day, she's not that far.